Hi, I'm Brandy. This is Hound Dog Hollow, and I'm back. Today I'm going to be unboxing, I believe, the Witch's Bouncy Box from the Witch's Moon. It's very late. I have been doing other things, which I will talk about in a different video and probably address in some of my upcoming lives. This smells wonderful. It's for the month of July. I have been gifted this box, but the opinions are my own. Oh my god! She's beautiful! She's beautiful. Oh wow, I absolutely love it. I feel like she looks like me. And I love this, and I love this, and I love the animals. This is probably one of my absolute favorite artworks I've ever gotten from them. So that's really, really exciting. The vessel. I never read it. I always like to open and see. So I'll put this and to look at this beautiful artwork. It smells like heaven. See, the candles have been really pretty lately. I had been doing so well. Oh, this is a nice simple white beeswax, and it smells good. I've been doing so well at catching up with my excess candles, and then a lot of stuff has been happening, which of course I will talk about in a different video. So very cool. This is a different type of not chain, but like necklace kind of cord that they have given us, and that's really exciting. I think it probably I'll need to put a little extender in the back because I kind of like to wear it a little lower, but I do like the texture a lot. A little spigot. Boop boop. There's probably an oil in here somewhere. Oh, let me see. I pulled the oil out. But usually the spouts are for the big oils, but let's see what we got here. Let's do some investigating. Calm. Ooh, it's very, it's very full. Look at that. You see it? It's not very clear. It's definitely got some goodies in there, some herbs. Let's smell it. It smells amazing. That's really yummy. What stone do we got? To be honest, I'm not sure. Oh, I got this little floozy fizz that won't leave me alone. Very cool. I don't know what I'm looking at, so that's going to be fun to look up. We got some incense. Oh, it smells very, very good. This is a big container. It's cushiony and very, very cool looking. Let's see what we got. Oh. Oh. Look at that. That's very cool. Oh. And it's a little roller ball. That's really cool. And we have, it looks like, other colors. This is very interesting. I love the moon and the star. Let's read about this. This is really different. As creators and crafters, we are always in the process of working to manipulate the energy that surrounds us so that we are able to be more effective in reaching our goals and setting specific intentions. In a world where other people's emotions can drain and draw upon our own energy, it is so vital that we have the opportunity to create specific energies that may protect or propel us through the daily obstacles. These very practices are the basis for which we work. The alchemical code, turning base metals into gold. As we gain more knowledge and wisdom through practice and experience, we are able to incorporate specific techniques and ingredients depending on our desired outcomes, giving us power to have more control over the path before us. In this very unique and special collection, we provide the tools that will assist you in creating your own intentional energies so that you may overcome and conquer daily experiences on your own terms. The magical items in this box are as follows. A quartz crystal and rainbow moonstone crescent moon vessel kit. So this must be the rainbow moonstone. This very unique vessel kit has been in the works for many moons and has been created and designed exclusively for the scribers of the Witch's Bounty. The cap on your vessel has been created with 0.925 silver and has been topped with a clear quartz point. On the front of your cap, you will find the design of the crescent moon, along with a delicate piece of rainbow moonstone. We have included 3 glass vessels for you to use, including pink, blue, and clear, so that you may have further options when creating your unique apothecary blends. All of these vessels include a roll top that can be easily pulled out of the bottle so that you may include essential oils. Please note that we have included a dropper for you within this box so that you may find it easier to create your very own custom blends. We have also included a unique cord and clasp within this box for this specific pendant so that you may wear your vessel around your person. We decided to place the clear quartz point fixed to the top of your silver cap to provide you with to provide you with a more customizable experience. Clear quartz is one of the most programmable crystals and can be charged with any intention. In addition to programmability, clear quartz is a wonderful amplifier of one's intentions, providing further enhancements to the magic you are working to create. After creating a unique essential oil blend and screwing your vessel into your silver cap, take the time to create a unique affirmation that accompanies your specific intention. Before you use your blend throughout your day, recite your affirmation. This practice will assist you in programming your clear quartz, providing you with further support. The remarkably beautiful rainbow moonstone is an absolute favorite of ours and was included on this piece for the purpose of psychic protection during its use. Along with providing the energies of peace and harmony, rainbow moonstone is a wonderful protector of the emotional and spiritual body. In addition, the crescent moon has been added to represent the divine goddess and the sacred cycles that accompany her. May this sacred tool be well used within your magical collection, providing you with a sense of comfort and support along your path. Very cool. Calm Magical Anointing Oil. As this collection is very unique in nature and different from our past boxes, we have decided to include a magical anointing oil that is well used within our personal collection. This wonderfully fragrant oil has been created with the intention of providing calm during times of seeming chaos. As you cultivate your energy each day, allow this anointing oil to be your companion. We have enchanted this oil with chamomile, aloe, ylang-ylang, as well as chamomile herbs and aloe powder. Along with other magical oils used to create this special blend, we have included a Lemurian mini quartz said to teach oneness and used to clear all chakras. Use this oil to anoint your candles, jewelry, and skin. To cleanse and purify ritual incense sticks. As you allow the smoke from this ritual incense to waft throughout your sacred space, allow the purifying qualities to clear away any negative or unwanted energies, allowing you to create and nourish your very own. White Intention Spell Candle. We have hand-rolled this spell candle for you so that you may have the opportunity to place within it your very own specific intentions. Rough Moonstone. That's what you are. That's what you are. I can see like a really pretty. Oh, there we go. This. Really pretty right there. Rough Moonstone. To accompany you on your path, we have included a rough moonstone. This very soothing and supportive stone was placed within this collection to act as your psychic protector, allowing your energetic and emotional body to stay clear of negativity and imbalance. Keep this stone close as you work to create the day ahead. Hollowed Vessel Book of Shadows artwork. We are so thrilled to be able to include a goddess artwork within this collection, resonating with the Hollowed Vessel. This piece of artwork was exclusive to this box and will not be available for purchase. Awesome. This is a very cool box. I love it. I'm going to say this is hands down my favorite though. I love it. It just feels so nice. It's so beautiful. I love this. This is beautiful. And I love this, and I love this different one. This smells great. I didn't even have any of this, so that's really great. It smells like the perfume, but maybe that perfume comes from my hands. The incense smells great, and this is very cool and different. And it's really nice because I actually have a ton of ritual oils, and it might be nice to kind of like take them with me places so that I can be more mindful to use them. So that's really, really great. I'm so grateful. Thank you guys so much. This is an awesome box. I highly recommend it to you, and I'm going to leave the link in the description below. Stay tuned. I'm going to try to be getting back into my regular content, which will include, of course, a side-by-side. I've got a giveaway coming up. I was going to do the $20 to $30 side-by-side, and then I'm going to be going back to my get ready with me. I missed the last 2 weeks, but I'm going to catch up this week, so they're not going to be on the regular times. They're going to be offset, so stay tuned for that. But yeah, so as always, please like, comment, and subscribe, and thank you guys so much for watching, and thank you for supporting my channel, and I can't wait to engage with you guys soon. Love you. Bye.